In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell to specific countries on WooCommerce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right settings, what each option controls, and how to make sure your store only sells and ships where you want. Start by opening your WordPress website and logging into your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to WooCommerce and open Settings. When the Settings page loads, make sure you're on the General tab. This is where WooCommerce keeps the core options for store-wide behavior. Look for the section labeled Selling Location. This is the control that determines where your products can actually be purchased. Open the drop-down and choose the option to sell to specific countries. A box will appear for you to select the country you want to sell to. Pick the specific country you prefer. This is the setting that limits checkout availability, so shoppers outside your selected country won't be able to complete an order. It's a simple way to comply with your business plan, legal requirements, or logistics constraints. If your tax, currency, or legal policies are tied to a region, this setting helps keep your store aligned with those rules. Right below that, you'll see Shipping Location. This controls where you're willing to ship orders after a purchase is made. Open the drop-down and select the option that matches your selling decision. If you only intend to ship within the same country you sell to, choose the corresponding shipping option and make sure it points to the same country. This keeps your checkout experience consistent, prevents unexpected shipping quotes, and avoids customer confusion. If your store sells digital products only, shipping may not be relevant for you, but it's still good practice to confirm the setting, so WooCommerce behaves as you expect. Take a moment to review your choices. Selling location controls who can check out. Shipping location controls where orders can be delivered. Keeping these aligned reduces abandoned carts and ensures the correct taxes, delivery methods, and rates are available during checkout. Once you're satisfied, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is important. Your preferences aren't applied until you save. After saving, your store will immediately follow the new rules for selling and shipping, and customers will only be able to purchase from the country you selected. That's it. You've set WooCommerce to sell to specific countries, aligned your shipping location, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.